Hello everyone, this is Survey Payout, and shout out to those who have been with me for a very long time on my YouTube channel, and those who are working earnestly to earn money who are on my WhatsApp group. Okay, so here is a dashboard for WeWard, and there are a couple of things I'm going to review to you on this WeWard. So therefore, I will encourage you to watch this video to the end. I'm also going to show you a few cash outs from WeWard. Okay, that's I've cashed out into my PayPal account. And here's one thing I'm going to show you. This is a coin that I have currently on this account. So, and for you to withdraw from WeWard, you will need 1,000 coins. For you to withdraw from WeWard, you will need 1,000 coins. And withdraw, you can cash out to your PayPal, you can cash out using Amazon gift cards or any gift cards of your choice, and it will be delivered within 4 or 5 days. Okay, now once you are on this dashboard, you need to come to this point. For those who are finding it difficult to convert their steps after they've worked for a very long time and then they've acquired some coins, you need to click on convert my steps. So once you click on convert my steps, I've already converted the step for today, so it's just going to show that I have plus 0 coins because I've converted my coins for today, being Wednesday. So I've converted my points for today. And mistake a few persons make is this: when they are logged into this particular reward, they are not consistent. Now, one promising thing about reward is you can actually make more than $10 every week if you are consistent. Now, there are 3 ways where you can make money. You can make money when you convert your steps. You can also make money with the games and surveys. You can also earn some coins while you refer your friend. So on this wise, I'm going to also show you how you can register. These are a few surveys that will earn you money. So let's start with the referral. So when you click on refer a friend, as you can see, this is my referral code. So when you are registering on WeWard, for those who have created too many accounts, you can as well remove the account and then make a new account after watching this video. Now, when you are creating an account, you'll be asked for a referral code. If you use this referral code, you are going to earn 150 points, and then I'm going to earn 50 points. So we can build a community with this. Okay, so we can build a community with this, and then that is that for referral. So I'm going to click on games and surveys. So by clicking on games and surveys, you see that there are a lot of games and a lot of surveys. Now, in my WhatsApp group, I have a survey demograph that helps you qualify for most surveys on CPX and then most surveys on the BitLabs. Okay, so these are the 2 surveys where I focus on, and sometimes you get qualified for surveys on Prime. Now, if you also need to earn money while playing games, You can come to Tap Joy. There are a lot of games where you can earn money. Okay, by which you can earn money. So let's try to take one survey on CPX. Sometimes you may get disqualified on surveys, but let's try to take a very short survey and then see how far it will go. I do not want to make this video a long one. So if I see that this video is going to be lengthy, I'm going to cut the survey short. But remember, whenever you are doing surveys, you don't need to end the survey at maybe you don't need to end the survey at the middle. You need to finish the survey. Okay, I think this is not loading too fast, so I'm just going to end this here. So let me click on Tap Joy. So when you click on Tap Joy, you may have some games. I've already downloaded a game and I'm currently playing that game. Because of time, I will not be able to play the game on this particular video. So I'm just going to, I said I will be showing you how you can make money with this particular reward. So I think this is going to be tough because of the network. Alright, so remember, you refer a friend, you do surveys and games. If you need demograph for this particular update, you can join my WhatsApp group by clicking on the link in my YouTube channel description. You'll find the WhatsApp group, and I can also pin it in the comment section of this video. So what you can do again to make money is by, you may be lucky. I'm not always focused here. Sometimes I try to spin to see available balance I can or money I can get, but I've not been lucky to spin and then end. So now I'm just going to show you this is my paper account, and this is my paper account, and sorry for that. And here is $10. Here is $10 from WeWard. This is my paper account. So I'm going to show you another notification. This is paper, and then this is $25 from WeWard on 14th of January 2026. So you can actually make money on WeWard. Okay, so if network permits me, I would be able to, let me pause this video and see if I'll be able to create a new account. But notwithstanding, you need to understand that you don't need to have two accounts created on WeWard. So if you have multiple accounts on WeWard, actually they are going to ban the accounts, and just one account on one phone. So if you've tried too many times and then you're not making it, once you're able to get a particular account that is working for you, you don't need to create another account. Okay, so on this particular account and on this particular phone, let me just show you something. Lest I forget, let me click on reward and then see how far on this. So currently this is 400, this is 446 coin, which is equivalent to $6.69. So, and remember, you can be able to cash out from any gift card of your choice once you're able to get 1000 points. So these are several gift cards. You can cash out $5 Amazon once you've upgraded. Maybe you've cashed out about twice, and with 2000 points you get $25 Amazon. So for a bank transfer or PayPal, you need your first cash out should be $10, which is 1,000 points. Okay, and subsequent times you can cash out 500 points, which is $5. You can cash out 2,000 points, should be $25, and then so forth and so on. So remember to use my referral link, my referral code for your new account, for you to be able to get your first 150 points. You need to use my referral code. You can write this code down. Okay, so if this is your first time on my channel, do well to subscribe, and if you have any question, please put it down in the comment section, and feel free to join my WhatsApp group. You can learn everything about survey for free of charge, and my joy is to see you earn and make money online. Also remember to share this video to those who are interested in making money online, those who are looking for a side hustle and working from home. Thank you for watching this video to this end, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, and be active for the next video on how to make money online. I have tons of updates. I'll be dropping them once I get cash out from each of these updates. So once cash out is verified, I'm going to drop it on the YouTube channel. So subscribe to this channel and be active. See you in the next video.